लगे सखा लोग अब आगे चल रहे हैं और उसमें
When
गुदगुदा
the
होते हुए
sakhas
जाना
are walking inside on the tongue, they are thinking, oh, very nice carpet for
अंदर में
welcome.
जब गए ऊपर देखा तो
When they went inside, they saw
अघासुर के वो सांप के जो दांत होता है ना,
Aghasur
इतने बड़े बड़े दांत था, नीचे के ऐसे लग रहे। एक सखा
had
दूसरे सखा
very
कहने
teeth. One
लगे,
sakha
भाई
said to
देखो
the
यहाँ पर
sakha,
ये
see,
कोई संत महात्मा
a
जो
Sant Mahatma
है अपने जो है अपने जो कंबल आदि जो है ना
with
वो
his
सब टांग करके
blankets and
रखे।
everything, he is hanging it. He has hung all his blankets
ऊपर
on
से
this
ऐसे
thorn.
इतना विशाल था,
From top, it was very, very huge.
तो उस ऊपर से ऐसे
Mouth.
लगता है
So it
कि
was
कोई
looking
संत
as like a
महात्मा
Sant Mahatma.
क्या किया,
What did he
अपने
do?
कंबल आदि
I,
कृष्णा
for this
जानबूझ
regard,
करके
Krishna forcefully,
अंदर में आए।
he went
जब
inside
कृष्ण
also.
अंदर में आ गए ना,
And Krishna came
तब
inside.
देखो
Then
अघासुर के और नीचे के जो क्या जौ जो होता है,
Aghasur's jaw, the lower jaw,
नहीं
lower jaw,
लोअर जौ जो है ना,
lower jaw of Aghasur,
वो ऊपर उठाने लगे। सखा लोग
he
आनंद
closed,
होने
he
बोले,
laid
ये
it
तो
up,
सदगुरु जामुन
and
जी
Sakhas were thinking, oh wow, very nice style of elevator this is, we are automatically going up.
वो ऊपर दिए ना, अच्छा
It's okay.
अंदर में चले गए।
He went
कृष्ण जब
inside,
अंदर में
when
आ गए,
Krishna came inside,
धीरे धीरे
then
अघासुर ने क्या कि
what did Aghasur do? He closed his mouth.
जबड़े जबड़े को क्या कर लिया, बंद
He
कर
closed
दिया।
his mouth.
और अभी सारे सखा लोग मूर्छित हो गए। कृष्ण ने क्या की,
And all the friends of Krishna, they
अघासुर के
fainted.
अंदर में आकर के
So Krishna entered inside Aghasur
आग के एक कुंडली जैसे है ऐसे कर,
and he manifested himself like Krishna became so hot, and manifested huge fire in him. And the head of Aghasur bursted off
और
with
फट जाने से अघासुर के
heat.
मुंह से तो सखा
So
लोग बाहर आ गए।
the sakhas of Krishna, they came out from Aghasur's
और
mouth, and
देखो
then
अघासुर के जो आत्मा जो है
अघासुर soul.
आकाश में जो ब्रह्म तालु भेद कर फट करके कहाँ चले गए,
soul,
बाहर आ गए।
it came outside of Aghasur and was wandering in the sky, round
और
and round
तब
in
तक
circles.
कृष्ण अंदर में ही था।
And Krishna was
कृष्ण
inside.
जब बाहर आ गए
When
अघासुर
Krishna
के
came
जबड़े
out
से
from
जब
the
बाहर
Aghasurs
आ
that
गए,
body,
वही अघासुर की जो आत्मा सर्वत्र
that same
भ्रमण
soul of
करते
Aghasur,
करते
after
वो
wandering here and
आकर
there,
के
that soul
कृष्ण के
got merged
नवचंद्रा
with
में
the
प्रवेश किया।
light that was
तो इसके
effulging from the
ब्रह्मा जी
tunnel of
देख
Krishna.
करके
So after
विचार
seeing this,
करने
Brahma was
लगे,
thinking,
ये कृष्ण स्वयं भगवान
Krishna
है।
is God.
क्योंकि शास्त्र में लिखा
In
गया,
the scriptures it is
जो
said,
जो असुर भगवान के हाथ में मारा जाता है,
a demon that is killed by God,
वो क्या होता है, वो सजी से प्राप्त कर देता है।
they
अर्थात
attain
भगवान
this kind
की
of liberation, meaning they get
नवचंद्र
with the
में वो
light that is
प्रवेश कर
effulging from the two lanes of God.
इसलिए ब्रह्मा जी ये दृश्य के देख करके
After seeing
ये
this,
विचार
Brahma
किया, ये कृष्ण
said,
स्वयं भगवान
he
है।
realized that Krishna is God.
अच्छा ये तो ब्रह्मा, ये तो हो गया ब्रह्मा।
Okay.
दूसरे दिन
Next day, what did he see?
और एक लीला प्रकट करने
Krishna
लगे।
manifested another
और
pastime.
क्या देखा, कृष्ण वन भोजन कर रहे
When he
हैं
saw Krishna
भोजन कर रहे
is
थे
eating with his
और
friends in the
सखाओं के
forest,
साथ बैठे हुए थे।
sitting with his
श्रीमद्
friends.
भागवत में
In Srimad
ब्रह्म
Bhagavad,
मोहन लीला प्रसंग
Brahma
में
Mohan Leela, this is explained, Srila
सुखदेव
Sridhar
वर्णन कर
Samapadi
रहे
is
हैं,
explaining.
कृष्ण सखाओं के साथ और बछड़ों के साथ
Krishna with his
गर्मी के
friends.
समय था,
It was very
वहीं पर
hot.
भोजन के लिए बैठे
And he was
और
sitting
उस
there.
समय गाय जो
At
उधर
that time, the cow
घूमते घूमते बछड़े जो है घूमते घूमते आगे चलने लगे।
and the cows and cows were there walking in the front of
तो उस समय
Krishna.
ब्रह्मा जी के मन में ये भावना
Brahma
हुई,
ji thought,
कृष्ण स्वयं भगवान है कि
Krishna is God or not?
है?
शंका हो गई।
शंका हो रही, क्यों?
A doubt
ये
came. Why?
कृष्ण जब
Because
भोजन
when
कर
Krishna was
रहे थे,
eating,
सखा के उच्छिष्ट ले रहे।
he was taking remnants
कैसे
of his
उच्छिष्ट ले
friends.
रहे?
How is he taking that?
यद्यपि भागवत में वर्णन
In
नहीं है।
Bhagavad, it's not
कैसे
explained.
उच्छिष्ट ले रहे हैं?
How is he taking
ये
the
देखो,
remnants? What is he doing?
एक
See,
समय की बात है,
once upon a time,
मधुमंगल जो है
Madhumangal,
अपने घर से जो है
he
बहुत अच्छे
brought
जो है
very
मट्ठा
delicious
लेकर के आए।
buttermilk from his house. Buttermilk.
छाछ लेकर के आए। और
And
छाछ लेकर के बोले देखो ये
he
अच्छा
said,
छाछ है।
oh, this is
तो
very
मधुमंगल
nice.
में कृष्ण का मधुमंगल में कन्हैया पहले मैं पी लेता हूँ।
Madhumangal
ये
said,
कैसे
first
है?
I will
अच्छा है
check
कि नहीं?
how this is, then I will
देखो,
give to
सखाओं
you.
की ऐसी ममता
The
है,
friends of
ऐसे नहीं
Krishna
है।
have so
कृष्ण
much
के
in love and
पैसे
affection.
पहले खिला दे।
They
पहले
are
क्या
not
करते
giving
हैं?
first to
अपने
Krishna. First they
टेस्ट
check
करते
it
हैं ना,
themselves and then they
चाख के
give
खाते
anything to
हैं।
Krishna.
ये अच्छा है तो गोपाल को
If it is good,
खिलाइए।
then they will give to
तो
Krishna.
मधुमंगल
Otherwise,
क्या
no.
करने लगे, वो
So Madhumangal,
छाछ को लेकर के पीने लगे।
he started
कृष्ण
to
मन
drink
में
that
विचार करने
buttermilk,
लगे,
and Krishna was
पता नहीं
thinking,
है ये सारी
oh,
सारी पिया
oh,
पी ना जाए।
this person will
इसलिए
finish
जब
all of
मधुमंगल
it. So
ऐसे
when
पीने लगे
Madhumangal
ना,
was drinking like
और
this,
कृष्ण नीचे से क्या
and what is Krishna doing? So some few drops were falling off from the mouth of Madhumangal, and Krishna collecting those few drops in his hand, he was drinking that like this.
पान पी रहे हैं। अच्छा बताओ ऐसे कोई
See,
पीता है?
does anyone do like
हैं?
this?
देखो कृष्ण
The sweetness
सखाओं
of
के
Braj.
ईश्वर का जो उच्छिष्ट आदि ग्रहण करते हैं।
Krishna is taking remnants of his friends like
हम
this.
सोच नहीं
We
सकते
cannot
हैं
even imagine
जो कृष्ण
Krishna
सखाओं के किस प्रकार उच्छिष्ट
how
करते हैं।
he's taking
मधुमंगल
remnants of his
छाछ
friends.
पी रहे हैं,
Madhumangal is drinking buttermilk
और उससे दो चार
and
बूंद जो है मुंह
4
से नीचे
drops
गिर
are
रहा है,
dropping from his
और
mouth
कृष्ण
on the
क्या कर
ground
रहे
and
हैं?
Krishna is collecting those
उसके हाथ
ground,
में
collecting those
गिर-
drops and then he's drinking.
इसलिए शास्त्र में जो लिखा है
In scriptures it is said,
ये कृष्ण सखाओं के कैसे उच्छिष्ट कैसे लेते थे।
how is Krishna taking remnants like this?
हैं? इस लीला को देख करके
After which
भगवान की उच्छिष्ट
all they
प्रसाद
want to
लेते
take remnants of God.
हैं। एक समय
Once upon a
नारद
time,
ऋषि वैकुंठ में पहुंचे, उस समय
Narad Rishi
भगवान
arrived in
कृष्ण
Vaikuntha.
भगवान नारायण प्रसाद पा करके
and Narayana took prasad.
अंदर में गए
He
और
went
लक्ष्मी
inside
देवी
and
के
Lakshmi
बोले,
Devi,
नारद जी बोले लक्ष्मी देवी मुझे ठाकुर जी का
Narad Devi
प्रसाद
said,
दे।
give me some
और
remnants of
लक्ष्मी देवी
Narayana.
ने
Lakshmi
कहा कि
Devi gave
नारद
some
जी को
remnants.
प्रसाद दे दे। नारद जी प्रसाद लेकर के बाद
Narad
चल
Rishi
पड़े।
took prasad and he started walking in ecstasy.
और इतने नाम संकीर्तन करते करते
And so much Nam Sankirtan
नाम
into
संकीर्तन करते नारद जी बात आगे कैलाश में आ गए।
Narad Rishi came
और
in
उस
Kailash
समय
and at that time,
उनको देख करके
after seeing
नारद
that,
ऋषि ने उद्दंड होकर के
Narad Rishi
नृत्य करने लगे।
started to dance in ecstasy.
उसको देख करके
After
शिव जी
seeing
कहने
that,
लगे,
Lord
भाई
Shiva
तुम कहाँ
said,
से आ रहे हो? इतने उद्दंड नृत्य क्यों कर रहे हो?
why do so much
बोला,
dancing in
वैकुंठ में
ecstasy?
गए
Then
थे,
he said, I
लक्ष्मी
went to
देवी थोड़ी सी
Vaikuntha and
प्रसाद
Lakshmi
दी,
Devi gave a
उससे
little bit
लेके-
prasad.
हाँ,
And
हाँ, इधर देखो, हाँ। बोले
I'm feeling so
उसको
ecstatic.
लेकर के मेरा इतना आनंद हो रहा है। तो
I'm
शिव
feeling
जी बोले,
ecstatic
मुझे
after
थोड़ा
taking this.
प्रसाद
Shivji
दे
said, please give
दो।
me
देखो,
to
नारद जी
some
बोले,
to me
मेरे पास
also.
तो है ही नहीं, सब
Narad
था।
Rishi said, now
तो
everything's
नाखून से
finished.
थोड़ा बहुत था।
He
उसने
had
शिव
little
जी
bit
को
in
दे
his
दिया।
nails,
और शिव जी उस प्रसाद
stuck
को
with
लेकर
piece of
के
rice stuck in his nails, and
उद्दंड
Shivji
करते
took
थे।
that and he
देवी
started dancing in
पार्वती
ecstasy.
आई।
Also, Parvati
देवी
came.
पार्वती बोले, आप इतने नृत्य क्यों कर रहे हो?
Parvati said, why are you
बोले,
dancing so
देखो,
much in ecstasy?
ठाकुर जी के थोड़ी सी प्रसाद जो है
Shivji
मुझे
said,
मिल
little
गई।
bit of Thakurji prasad I
देवी
got.
पार्वती बोले,
Devi
मेरे लिए
Parvati
कुछ
said,
नहीं
why didn't
रखा।
you keep anything
अरे
for
थोड़ी
me?
सी था, नारद ऋषि तो
Little
अपने
bit.
नाखून से
He said, Nardashi,
ऐसे
give me
करके
like
मुझे दिया
one
था।
tiny piece
और
of
वो
rice
मिल
from
गई।
his nails.
देवी
And
पार्वती
that
के
I took.
गुस्सा
Devi
हुई।
Parvati
देवी
became
पार्वती,
angry.
आज
He
तुम्हारे
said,
कोई
today,
प्रसाद नहीं
from today I will not cook for you.
इसलिए शास्त्र में कहा जाता है,
So in
शिव
scriptures it is
प्रसाद
said,
ग्रहण
you
करना
should
नहीं
not
चाहिए।
take prasad from Shiva. In scriptures it is said,
शिव प्रसाद प्रसाद दो प्रकार की होता है।
2 kinds of prasad.
प्रसाद एक होता है खने रुष्टा
One is khane rusta, khane
रुष्टा
tushta.
तुष्टा खने खने।
Rusta tushta, khane
प्रसाद
khane.
प्रसाद भी अव्यवस्थित चित्तानां प्रसाद भी भयंकर। जिसके चित्त स्थिर नहीं है,
Whose mind is not
उनके
controlled.
प्रसाद हो जाए, कभी कभी क्या हो जाता है,
If you do give them prasad,
उदाहरण कर लेंगे।
then the prasad will like give a bad reaction. So it is coming.
रुष्ट तुष्टा खने खने। अव्यवस्थित चित्तानां प्रसाद भी भयंकर है। जिसके चित्त स्थिर नहीं है,
Like whose mind is
वो
not
क्या करते हैं,
controlled.
उनके प्रसाद लेकर के और भी
If they take
तुम्हारे
prasad,
क्या हो जाएगा, चित्त डमाडोल हो
if you take prasad of that, like for example, if someone's mind is not controlled, and if you take prasad of that person, then your mind will be disturbed. So Shivji is teaching to us actually. He's Mahabhagavat. One whose mind is not controlled, going here, there, there. Khane rushta, khane tushta.
उसके भक्ति भक्ति नहीं होता है।
Bhakti no possible for such
चित्त
person.
के स्थिर करना पड़ता है।
Mind must be controlled for bhakti. For bhakti must control the mind.
है? इसलिए प्रसाद
For this regard,
हम इसलिए
I am
करें,
saying this because
हम इसलिए करें, ब्रह्मा जी के मन में
Brahma ji
अभी क्या शंका हुआ,
had doubt
कि
came.
कृष्ण भगवान है कि नहीं है।
Krishna is God or
पहले दिन तो
not?
मैं भगवान कह करके मैंने स्थापित
First
किया।
day,
किंतु अब
I
ये जो
established
बाल
that
कृष्ण जो
Brahma was thinking
कृष्ण
Krishna is
आदि
God
है,
when he Lagaso, but
आदि चारण
now
कर रहे हैं।
he's doing cow herding
ये भगवान
and
है
he's
कि
God
नहीं?
or not, he's taking remnants of
इसके
his friend
विचार के लिए
of these
ब्रह्मा के
covered by
मन
so
में
Brahma
एक शंका उत्पन्न हुई।
thinking.
वास्तव में ब्रह्मा के मन में जो शंका
In
हुई,
reality,
ये जोगमाया दिया, ब्रह्मा
this
की
doubt in
और
Brahma's
गुरु
heart was inspired by
ब्रह्मा जी के
Yogmaya.
पास
Yogmaya is
शंका
Guru
हो सकता है।
Tattva. Guru can never
गुरु
doubt
के-
on God,
गुरु
right?
में यदि शंका हो जाए,
Guru
doubt
is
हो
having
जाए,
doubts,
तो शिष्यों के क्या हो
then
जाएगा?
where will the disciples go?
आप बताओ,
You tell me.
हैं? इसलिए ये विचार
For
ठीक है,
this
ये
regard,
विचार
this
नहीं
is,
है।
you have to understand.
किंतु ये जोगमाया क्या करते
This was the
हैं?
arrangement of Yogmaya
आगे
just
की
to
लीला,
manifest the
ये
pastimes.
कृष्ण की अनेक इसलिए कहते हैं,
That's
एक,
why
एक लीला प्रभु करे 5 साल, एक लीला के द्वारा अनेक
with
लीला
one
दी होती है।
pastime,
जैसे
many
आगे जाकर
pastimes
के,
manifesting,
हैं?
like moving further.
सभी को जो है इच्छा को पूर्ण करना है, जैसे गैया
Because God has to fulfill desire of all everyone. So cow's desire needs to be fulfilled by the Krishna also. So cows were thinking every day.
कृष्ण जो है माँ जसोदा की
Krishna is taking breastfeed from Gopudra Yashoda. Maybe he should breastfeed from us. Cows were thinking like this. The second thing is that
आगे जाकर के
moving further,
गोपियों के साथ जो रास लीला आदि
and the
करना है,
Ras Leela Gopis Ras Leela has to be performed.
लीला आदि आगे कैसे संपादन
So
होगा?
how will they manifest? So all these, like one Leela connects to another and supports each other. So in the same way, Yog Maya she arranges like this by she gave the inspiration in the heart of Brahma. She created a doubt in the heart of Brahma.
इससे कभी गुरु वैष्णव शुद्ध
So
वैष्णव
you should never,
यदि कि ऐसे दिखाई पड़े तुम्हें विचार,
if you think that a Vaishnava is having doubt or someone, you should never doubt them.
इसलिए विशेष करके जो है
Especially
वो मध्य संप्रदाय के लोग जो है ये
मध्य संप्रदाय,
ब्रह्म विमोहन लीला
ब्रह्म
के
विमोहन लीला,
वो लोग कहा जाते हैं क्या?
they say
प्रक्षिप्त लीला कहा जाता है।
Prakshipta
पर ये
Leela.
ठीक नहीं है।
They say
ये
this is not
किसने
proper.
जोड़ दिया?
Someone just connected it out of nowhere.
प्रक्षिप्त शब्द की अर्थ
Prakshit
होता है,
word
जो नहीं था
means
पहले।
like it didn't
और
happen.
किसने इसको बाद
Someone
में
just add on, like many, like added it.
किंतु ये नहीं, कृष्ण की लीला तो ये नित्य ही है।
But Krishna's pastimes are eternal.
इसलिए मध्वाचार्य भी सबके
So
ऊपर टीका लिखा है।
Madhvacharya is writing for
भागवत
everyone.
के सारे अध्याय के ऊपर टीका लिखा
He
है।
wrote for
जहाँ
all,
पर
everything,
ब्रह्म विमोहन
everyone
लीला
and
किया
king.
गया, वहाँ पर
But where
उन्होंने
Brahma Vimohan Leela came,
साइलेंट रख दिया।
he went quiet.
इसलिए
So
मध्य संप्रदाय में लोग
in
इसे
Madhya
कहते हैं, हमारे
Sampradaya they
मध्वाचार्य
say,
ने टीका नहीं लिखा।
Madhacharya didn't write this.
तो
They
इसके
were
मतलब
writing
ये
this. So
लीला
this
क्या है?
Leela is
प्रक्षिप्त कहा जाता है।
not proper. Like someone just added it.
क्योंकि बात सत्य नहीं। ब्रह्मा जी गुरु
This
तत्व
didn't
है।
happen. But this is not true.
किंतु
Brahma ji is Guru
उसमें ये
Tattva.
लीला आदि दिखाते हैं, लोकवत्तु लीला केवलम।
Lokvattu Leela Kevalam.
आगे यदि लीला नहीं हो,
Later, if
तो
Leelas
कैसे
won't
हो?
happen, then how will anything work?
इसलिए ये समस्त लीला
For
आदि
this regard,
बहुत सुंदर इसमें
all these
वर्णन
beautiful Leelas are
आगे
coming.
आइए।
Now let's get back to what we were discussing. So Brahma ji was thinking in his mind, Krishna is God or what? If he is God,
तो इसको मैं बछड़े
then
और सखा को मैं
let
चोरी
me
करूं।
abduct his calves
तो
and friends.
इसलिए
Let's
देखो,
see what happens. So
कृष्ण क्या थी?
Krishna at that time,
जब सखाओं के साथ जब
when
बैठ
he
करके
was
जब
with his
भोजन
friends
करने
and he
लगे,
started to
हैं?
eat,
ऐसा इतने समय बछड़ा आगे चले गए।
and
तो
the
बछड़ा
calf
जब
started to
आगे
walk
चले
further,
गए,
and when he walked
हैं?
further,
कृष्ण कहने लगे बच्चा तो आगे चला चला
Krishna
उसको
said
खोज
the
कर
calves
मिला।
are going
तो
to
उस
find
समय
them.
सखा लोग जब गए बछड़ा
He
को
sent his
खोजने
friend to
के
find the
लिए,
calves.
ब्रह्मा
And
जी
then
पहली बछड़े को क्या की? चोरी करके
Brahma ji, he
गुफा में
stole
रख
all the calves and put
दिया।
him in a
और फिर
cave.
सखा लोग जब
And when the
अलग हो
friends
गए
came,
कृष्ण से, और
first the
ब्रह्मा
calves
जी
and they were separated from
सखाओं को
Krishna,
भी
then
लेकर
Brahma
के
ji abducted the friends
यहाँ
as
पर
well.
एक भी विशेष वैशिष्ट हमारे
The
आचार्य
special
पास
thing our acharyas are explaining is that
गुरुदेव के समय उस समय जो है
at that time of
वर्णन
Gurudev,
करते
Vaishnavas
थे।
used to
ये
explain,
देखो
look,
ब्रह्मा जी
Brahma ji,
कृष्ण के जो बछड़े और सखाओं को कैसे चोरी किया?
how did he abduct the friends and calves of Krishna?
क्योंकि ये बछड़ा आदि सखा जो है ये कृष्ण
बछड़ा,
के ही एक प्रकाश विग्रह माना जाता है।
These calves are direct manifestations of Krishna. They are not ordinary.
इनके चोरी कैसे कर ली?
How can he steal them?
इसलिए कहा जाता है
That's why it is
जिस
said,
प्रकार रावण
like Ravan
सीता का हरण किया,
abducted the shadow Sita, Chaya Sita, the real Sita went where?
असली सीता जिस प्रकार
The real Sita entered
उसी
fire, right?
प्रकार सखाएं जो
In the
है
same way, the real friends,
जोग माया के इच्छा से वह
by the desire of Yoga Maya,
अदृश्य हो गए।
the real calves disappeared.
सखा और बछड़े को, और उससे साथ
Friends and calves both. And at that time, a copy
ब्रह्मा जी ने
of clones of them
जो सखा
manifested, and Brahma ji abducted the clones of the calves and friends of Krishna. Vaishnavas are making commentaries like this.
ऐसे टीकाकार भी कहीं कोई भागवत के एक टीकाकार नहीं है।
There are not only one commentators of Bhagavad, there are 108, and one of them is explaining like this.
गुरुदेव समय जब ये कथा बोले,
When Gurudev used to speak, in which commentary this is, so Tirtha Maharaj, he found one commentary and he read it out loud. Then Gurudev said, very nice. Because in some place, Siddhanta, people don't want to agree to it.
इसलिए मेरा याद है
So I remember, it is in one of the commentaries when Tirtha Maharaj said, oh yes, this is it's here. He gave the evidence from the scripture. So at that time, Brahma ji, now he abducted the friends and calves of Krishna. And Krishna, when he came back to that place and he saw the calves are not there and friends are also not there. At that time, Krishna became surprised and started to almost cry. Like in separation, the heart feels so much disturbed when you feel separated from your loved one, right?
कबल शब्द के अर्थात दो दिन
What
इससे
kaval means,
अन्नों के कहा जाता है
like
कबल
curd rice mixed with sugar is called this one. And he's in the hand, his hand is there, and Krishna is looking here and there, and he's almost about to cry. People say only the Bengalis eat rice, right? They say only Bengalis eat rice. They blame Bengalis for rice. Are Krishna eats rice? Gurudev used to say, in Braj there was so much rice. Slowly, the rain started to happen less, so that's why rice was less. So, see now, when we came, so much dust was there. After some time, it used to rain. It rained so much. In every village, every house, there was like paddy fields of rice, even more than Bengal. So it's a thing of time as time changes. So Kavalabhitra Vishana Venu. Krishna was holding this sweet rice mixed with curd, and he was looking here, there, where are my friends? And then when Brahmaji, he put calves and friends in cave, and he went away. And Krishna said, okay, oh Brahma, I will teach you a lesson now. Then Krishna in one form, he went to Brahmalok. And he said to the security guard, look, Krishna will take form of Brahma, and he will come, he will 4 heads. Krishna disguised as Brahma, and he said to the security guard, see, someone disguising my form will come, don't let him inside. So Krishna did this, disguising as Brahma himself. So Krishna went inside the palace of Brahma. And then when real Brahma came, security guard said, who are you? Our owner is already inside. Get lost. Get away from here. The 4-headed Brahma has gone inside. Who are you? You are fake. Then he didn't let the real Brahma in, saying it's fake. And Brahma was thinking, oh my God, what is this? Then Brahmaji, he came back. So traveling between different worlds, how much time's passed? 1 year passed by. So when Brahmaji came back, he was surprised. He saw that same Krishna with his friends and calves. What is he doing? He's playing, walking with them. After seeing this, Brahmaji became surprised. What is this? For this regard, Brahmaji with his 4 heads, he was in 2 heads, he was looking the cave of the mountain. And 2 heads, he was looking in the field where Krishna was cow herding with his friends. And he saw calves and friends are there on the right hand also and on the left hand also, both sides. His 4 heads couldn't comprehend what was going on. And Brahmaji became so surprised. And then Brahmaji thought, Krishna is not ordinary. Then all the calves and all the friends, they manifested form of Chaturbhuj. At that time, Brahmaji believed that Krishna is not ordinary. Krishna is God. And then Brahmaji glorified. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, this is explained. Very beautiful explanation is coming. How many shlokas glorified? 40 shlokas. Brahma glorified to Krishna. Krishna was not pleased with these glories. Brahmaji was glorifying like this. When he said this sloka, Krishna was pleased. Listen this very carefully. Everything you speak, every katha you listen, every glories you did, but if you don't listen about Braj, if you don't hear anything about connected to Braj, Krishna will never be pleased. You can go anywhere, you can speak anything, whatever you want. At the end, you have to connect everything to Brajvasis. You have to glorify Brajvasis. For this regard, first we listen. Whenever I go, first I ask the Brajvasis to speak, and I give donations to the Brajvasis. First, you have to give donations to the Brajvasis. You have to please the Brajvasis. For this regard, Oho Bhagyam.
गोस्वाम जन्मित्रम परमानंद पूर्ण ब्रह्म सनातन। अरे आपको दिया तो आप और भी देंगे, बहुत लोग आए।
Later, more people will give you. Don't worry, you are Brajvasi. Don't worry, don't worry. We will give you.
ब्रजवासी से जब तक नहीं दोगे,
If you don't give to Brajvasis, everything will be useless.
देखो जब यही श्लोक जब बोल दिया,
So when he spoke this slok, Krishna became happy.
नमस्कार कर दिया। ब्रह्मा जी ने क्या किया?
And
बोले,
Brahma
जल्दी
ji
चले जाता हूँ।
Who thought, oh, let me go quickly. And he did. How much parikrama you should do? How many times?
4 बार परिक्रमा करना चाहिए।
4 times.
ब्रह्मा जी ने कितना
Brahma ji, how many times did he do? Only 3 times. And he went to back.
कहते हैं ब्रह्मा जी 3 बार परिक्रमा क्यों?
So Arya explained, why did he do 3 times?
3 बार इसलिए परिक्रमा किया।
He did 3 because Brahma ji had a counting mistake. Because he was in a hurry.
इसलिए ब्रह्मा जी
And he did a counting mistake.
विचार करने के बाद
Because he couldn't count properly.
जब भगवान जब प्रसन्न हो गए,
When God is happy,
फिर ना कोई पूछ ले कुछ।
if I stay here for long, he will ask something and I might get offended again. So work is finished, then you must disappear very quickly. You go away from very. If you sit a lot, then problem will come. You know,
प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी।
if problem will come if you stay a lot.
4 व्यक्ति के
So,
पास अधिक समय मत बैठो।
Don't sit with 4 people, close with these 4 types of people, and don't joke with them also. Those who are politicians,
राजनेता के साथ हंसी मजाक
never
मत करो।
joke with a politician.
जो ऑफिसर जो होते हैं,
Officers,
पुलिस वगैरह जो
police
होते हैं ना,
officers,
उनके साथ हंसी
never
मजाक मत
joke
करो।
with them.
नहीं पता नहीं तुम्हें
Otherwise,
पकड़ लेंगे।
they will catch you.
हम लोग जब जाते हैं विदेश
See, when I go to the west,
सिक्योरिटी
when there is border force, immigration check, just you speak whatever they ask. If you speak more, then they will deport you or something. Understanding my point or not? They will deport you and they will abduct your passport and throw you out of their country. Understand or not?
और देखो स्त्रियों के साथ ज्यादा
And don't joke a lot with women. This is also in scriptures. That's why if you do joke with them, then everything destroy.
हंसी कर हंसी मजाक कर दिया तो फांसी में फंसोगे।
If you laugh and joke, then you will be trapped. So don't do this a lot. Understand? In scriptures it's written.
हाँ भाई।
So
आग के साथ खेल मत करो।
don't play with fire.
ये आग है ना?
Fire, right?
आग के साथ
Don't play with fire. Keep distance. I'm saying this because Brahma ji thought, oh, Krishna is pleased now. I have to go quickly now. So Brahma ji quickly did 3 parikramas and went away. But a repentation happened later in the heart of Brahma. He thought, oh, I abducted the friends and calves of Krishna. Who am I to do this? It's not proper, it's not good. So for this regard, Brahma ji took shelter of the Navadip Dham and he performed hard austerities to repent his mistake. God, he became pleased. God giving darshan, and then he said, to Brahma ji, I give you benediction. Brahma ji said, Prabhu, give me benediction. I will serve to you. At that time, Krishna said, look, Kali Yuga is about to come. So I will take incarnation there, and please you support in my mission of Nam Sankirtan. Brahma ji said, Prabhu, okay. Then Brahma ji second time he said, Prabhu, give me this benediction that I never take birth in a rich family. Let me take birth in a low class family so that I always stay humble and my bhajan is okay. So Brahma ji appeared in form of Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur manifest on 2, Brahma and Prahlad. Because in Navadip Dham is so glorious. All the offenders of Braj, all of them from Indra to Brahma, all of them one by one, all they took shelter of. Even Lord Shiva went where he did offense in Braj, and to rectify his offenses he had to go to Navadip Dham. And then if you go to Navadip, all the sins will be destroyed. That's everybody must go to Navadip Dham. Dham ki jai. If you don't take shelter of Gaur Dham, then you will never be delivered. For this regard, Gaur Hari ki jai. For quicking, I did not speak anything.
बांग्ला भाषा ही बोलो। हाँ दो महाराज जी ये बांग्ला भाषा नहीं तो एखाने मने होते हरे कृष्ण बोलो भी से खाना क्या हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण फोन दे दो तो बस्तवन की ब्रह्म मोहनिला की उदाई गौर प्रेमानंदे पूर्व वैष्णव अनुगत्य আমরা যেখানে আছি এটা হচ্ছে বৎসবন ভগবানের পৌগণ্ড লীলার স্থান যখন কৃষ্ণ গোকুলে এই জামড়া অর্জুন ভঞ্জন হলো তারপরে কৃষ্ণ নন্দগাঁওতে এই বৃন্দাবনে আসলেন আর ওখান থেকে এই সব লীলাগুলি হয়েছে কৃষ্ণ যখন বৃন্দাবনে ছিলেন তখন কৃষ্ণ নন্দ বাবাকে বললেন বাবা আমার গায়ে হচ্ছে আমার বৈশ্য জাতি গোয়াল অভিমানতে ছিলেন কৃষ্ণ গোপ অভিমানতে বললেন আমি বর্ষ চারণ করবো আমি গায়ে চারণ করব নন্দ বাবা বললেন দেখো তুমি গায়ে চারণ করবে অত ছোট ছোট ছেলে গায়ে চারণ করতে পারবে না তুমি যাও কি বর্ষ চারণ বছরা চারণ করিবেন বাছুরি বাছুরগুলিকে নিয়ে এখানে গ্রামের কাছে যাবে আর ওখানে জঙ্গলের ভিতরে যেতে হবে না এই কাছাকাছি থেকে বা ওখানে চারণ করিবে কৃষ্ণ বললেন হ্যাঁ কিন্তু এরকম যাবে কি করে